All right, I'm hiking on the rim trail or something like that. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it is gorgeous. As you can see behind me, there are just views for days. I'm right on top of the rim of the canyon. And this is about 3 miles. I'm not exactly sure. Wow, spectacular. It's early morning and we're looking off the rim of the canyon, the Cloudlands Canyon State Park. I know that this little camera does not do it justice. But look at the fog down in the valley. Holy cow. What a beautiful, beautiful place. I guess that's why they call it Cloudlands Canyon State Park. I mean, look at those clouds down in the valley there. So cool. Okay, I hadn't been able to do a lot of filming today. Just people everywhere on this Stenton Gulch Trail. It basically, from the view that you saw up top, it runs at the bottom of the canyon through all these awesome waterfalls. Some place called Hemlock Falls and Cherokee Falls that I was able to look at. And now I'm just following the Gulch Trail, which is the basin down here where this awesome creek is. And did the Bear Creek Backcountry Trail, which is a fairly new trail, and it's just mostly through the woods, but pretty awesome trail. It's about a 7.5 mile loop. Did that yesterday, and I'll be finishing out today. So let me talk to you a little bit about last night. It was very peaceful, except for some animal that decided to try to make his home in my camp spot last night. He kept coming in. I kept waking up and didn't go back to sleep. So it was just a crazy ordeal. I wasn't sure if I was sleeping or awake half the time. Is that cool or what? I think the sun's probably getting you. But the canyon walls just go straight up from here, all the way up. Sorry if the sun's got you. But an incredible view. All right, just hiking on this loop trail. It's very beautiful out here. The fall colors are out in the south, so leaves are all on the ground. I love the sound of just the crunching leaves underneath me as I hike, and very peaceful. So I'll continue my loop trail for the day. Later, just listening to some music. If you're wondering, nobody would care, but if you're wondering what music I listen to, that would be 80s hair bands. Yes, I am an 80s hair bands, 80s metal person. I mean, be Van Halen, Def Leppard, Bon Jovi, Warrant, Poison. Yeah, pretty sad, but that's what I grew up listening to. Had every cassette known to man. So anyway, talk to you later. All right, I was talking about 80s hair bands when some random person came up and I'm sure thought I was crazy, which not far from the truth. But I don't know why, but that music is gone, and that don't appear like it's coming back. All I hear is little teenagers music now from my kids, and I don't know what they're talking about. I guess that's the old man in me. But my kids have listened to, you know, kind of hard rock, even back some of the stuff that I listened to, like The Who and Led Zeppelin, and the stuff that was before the 80s bands that I really like. And they kind of like it. Of course, they like a lot of stuff, but I don't know, there's just something about it that I can't stop listening to it. It's good stuff. So I'll get back to listening to the 80s bands and continuing my loop for the day. Very peaceful. See you later. All right, looks like I made it to the end of Stinton Gulch. Yep. So I'm going to turn around and go back. Looks like it's some sort of campground. I'm turn around and head back up to Cloudlands. I want to say this was probably 3 miles. Well, there's the waterfall. I'm just about done. The Stinton Gulch Trail is pretty much straight down away from the falls, and of course you gotta hike back up. But what a beautiful waterfall. It's amazing. Anyway, end of this trip, we've done the Bear Creek Backcountry Trail and the Stinton Gulch Trail and got to camp at a great place. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching As the Crow Flies Hiking. I appreciate your support. Subscribe if you like the video and comment about anything you see I could do better next time. Thanks.